Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Thanksgiving recipe. Yes, some drumsticks in a delicious pasilla sauce that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing turkey legs in this delicious adobo in pasilla sauce you guys are going to love. These are the ingredients. I have 3 chili pasilla pods or ancho chilies, 5 garlic cloves, half an onion, 2 bay leaves, chicken bouillon, cumin, black pepper, and of course the turkey legs. I know you guys are really going to love this amazing recipe. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the turkey legs. I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I want to cover them really good so they don't stick to the baking dish. This part is very important. Just make sure you massage it really good. You make sure that the oil is all over the turkey legs so that they don't stick. Once you have them slathered with the vegetable oil, you are ready to continue with your chili pods. I have the chili pods here, 5 garlic cloves. Yes, you heard correctly. 5 garlic cloves, half an onion, and 3 chile pasilla pods. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the seeds from the chili pod, making sure I get all the seeds out. Once you remove them, you add them directly into your blender where you have the garlic and you have the onion. Let me tell you, these turkey legs really come out so delicious. The chile pasilla that you're going to add right on the top really gives it a such smoky and delicious flavor to the turkey legs. Look at this. I'm just adding it to the blender. I'm going to add about 1 cup of very hot water into the blender so that it starts getting hydrated, starts getting nice and soft. The chile pasilla is really dry, really hard. We're not using the seeds. I am going to go ahead, add them into the blender, add my spices here. Remember, I have the cumin. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and of course, the black pepper. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste. Remember, add a little bit, is just like salt, but a little more spices in them. And now I'm going to cover it. I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes and then I am ready to blend. We need to blend it really good, making sure that there's not little specks of the chili pod in them. Once you just blend it good, cover them slowly. Cover your turkey legs really good, just like that. And once they are nice and covered, then this recipe you don't need to babysit. You're going to take it to the oven, 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. The turkey legs are going to be so moist, so juicy, but yet they're gonna just be amazing. You could add any side dish to this delicious recipe. I was forgetting my Baileys. Of course, the Baileys are going to leave all the flavor, the aroma into this sauce. After you pull it out of the oven, let me show you how this looks. It's really thick. The liquid has reduced a little bit, so the liquid is nice and thick. You could really coat them really good. And like I said, the best thing is that you don't need to babysit a delicious recipe like this one. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a delicious and amazing recipe, you are notified. But look at this. I am ready to serve. I am ready to enjoy. You could even enjoy it in some delicious bolillos, in a torta, with cucumber, with lettuce. Oh my gosh, my home smells amazing. Look how delicious this looks. I am sure that once you make it, you are really going to fall in love with this delicious and amazing recipe. But yet, this is not spicy at all. It has such a delicious, smoky flavor that you're going to love. I am going to lay it right on top. My mouth is watering and I am ready. I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to enjoy these turkey legs. Your mouth is watering. Make this amazing recipe. You're going to love it. I'll see you in a bit. With these turkey drumsticks, let me tell you, the meat is so tender, so juicy. The sauce of the ancho chilies or pasilla chilies, amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. You could enjoy it with some potatoes. You could enjoy it with rice. You could enjoy it right on top of a delicious pasta or even in a torta. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe and you enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her family for the holidays. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.